What are we gonna do, what are blooper? What are we gonna do now, Mom? We're gonna do whatever we can do. We should go back to the den. I'm pretty sure it'd be safe. Okay. You go ahead. You go ahead and go. Okay, Mom. I'm so glad I found my mom. Without her, I would have died. Literally, died. Wait a minute. Dad? Dad? Ow! 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 Ontario! I must howl. Ow! Ontario, what is it? Sweetie, what is it? Are you okay? What's going on? Dad. Sweetie, it's not what you think. And you already know he's dead. You said it. He got shot. He got wounded in the stomach. Blech. Well, Mom? Yeah? I'm hungry. Jesus. Ugh. Hungry for what, Ontario? Hungry for deer. Hungry for deer? Yeah. But there aren't any deer in the valley right now. We just got to eat that. And don't even make me puke. I'm being serious, honey. We have to eat that. No, we do not, Mom. I am not believing you. You're probably lying and joking around. I'm not lying. Ontario! Ooh. Ooh. Sorry. Okay, I'll eat, Mom. These very delicious looking plants. Okay, here goes the first nibble. Delicious. Mom, good idea. You're not liking it, are you? Yeah, I am liking it, actually. It's magically nutritious. It tastes good, yeah. Okay, Mom, I lied. I do not like it. At least I have something in my stomach now, and I'm not hungry, and I just lost my appetite. Okay, I'm done. I'm going to bed. Good night. What? I have no idea what you just said. Good night, Ontario. Ew, his paws are all dirty. Might as well get some soup. Shadow. Shadow. Shadow, wake up. Ugh. Shadow. Ugh. Fang? Fang. Thought they killed you. Thought they killed you. They did. I'm just a figment of your imagination. Is this a dream? Yes, dream. But you must listen. or follow this. Beyond these trees lies a great deadly beast. Deadly beast? What kind of deadly beast? I don't know, but it's just beast. I love you. I do not want you to forget me, please. I will never forget you, no matter what. I have to go. No. I have to go. No! 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 Ugh! Ugh! Ontario, wake up. Mom, I'm trying to sleep.